The founder and president, MAAUN Group of Universities, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, wishes all Christians in Nigeria a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year in advance. The goodwill message was contained in a statement personally signed by Professor Gwarzo, a copy of which was released to newsmen in Kano on Wednesday. The edupreneur and philanthropist urged Christians to use the occasion to promote peace and unity as exemplified by Jesus Christ during his lifetime. While calling on Christian faithful to imbibe the spirit of tolerance, compassion, generosity, and peaceful coexistence, Professor Gwarzo also called for sober reflection, cooperation, and respect for all humans, which are the cardinal principles which Jesus Christ preached during his lifetime. As we celebrate this Christmas, let us maintain our cherished values and resolve to continue to promote peace and harmony among all Nigerians, irrespective of religious and political inclinations, for the socio-economic and political development of our country, Professor Gwarzo said. He said, as Christian brothers and sisters celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, I extend my warmest wishes for a blissful and peaceful celebration. I wish to, on behalf of the management of MAAUN Group of Universities, facilitate with all the Christians in Nigeria and beyond on this auspicious occasion and wish you all a blissful celebration and a prosperous New Year in advance, Professor Gwarzo said.